we're going to look at Zoom here on the weekly chart. But first, we have to note that basically we ended the day up around 2%. So we're trading right on that $73 range right now. And the overall net flow for Friday was favored to the call side, the bulls. The overall open interest, the overall volume was favoring the calls, the bulls. So we'll see how that affects things as we're working our way throughout this week and we get closer to that earnings report. So earnings is coming up August 21st after market in here. And it looks like by Friday's trading session, everybody is pricing in right around a $5 or so expected move. So we're going to see how that implied volatility starts to expand and or contract as we get closer there. Are we going to get a little bit more of a run up into earnings, or are we going to kind of take a breather? Did that run up already happen on Friday with that 2% pop? Now, as far as ending on that 73 level, like we just mentioned, where does that kind of put us here on this weekly chart? Where our first area of resistance is going to be that 9-day EMA that's currently trading at 74.35. Anything above that, you're looking right around that $76 to $77 area. And then above there, the 82s. And then we have to worry about this 200 SMA here. Where is this going to end? Is it going to be with this upper trend line here that we have mapped out here on this weekly chart, or is it going to be closer to that 88 level? Right now, they're all kind of together, but obviously, the bigger the expansion or contraction we get here with our volume and our implied volatility and a run up into earnings or not, that is going to adjust that 200 SMA accordingly. Now, as far as support wise, what are we looking at in here? Well, the $70 level is going to be a nice psych level for us, and or this lower trend line. You can see we bounce kind of right off of that in here, coming on this last week. And then anything below there, not a whole lot of anything until you get to this 62 level down here. So we're going to see what happens as we're working our way into this earnings report that's upcoming August 21st after market. Again, $5 expected move by Friday. If you go all the way out to next Friday, right around a $6 expected move. September is pricing in right around a $7 expected move in here in Zoom. So we'll see what happens as we gap up or down on this Monday and see what happens. We have to kind of take everything into consideration with the overall markets. But again, earnings catalyst coming up for Zoom. So it might just kind of do its own thing in here, and just be careful of that volatility. And you please keep note about the net flow that is happening, and then where the open interest and the volume are going to be as we start working our way throughout this week. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.